Hey everyone, this is Kokon from WPBravo. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer a WordPress website from localhost to live server. This is a full functional e-commerce website that I designed in my localhost. If I click to About page, this is a About page that is nicely designed. If you click to Contact, there is the Contact page. We can contact over here. If you want to visit Shop, click to Everything. There is the Shop page where you can buy any product. Click any product, then you can increase or decrease amount, then add to cart. You can view cart and you can proceed to checkout. So this is a full functional e-commerce website. Now I want to transfer this website to online server so that people can buy product from online. I want to transfer this website to this domain. First of all, I have to export our files and database from the local server. To do that, I'll back to the dashboard and here I will install a plugin. I'm gonna click to plugin, then add new plugin. Search for all-in-one. This is the plugin that I want to install. Click to install now button. Within a moment, it will be installed. Click to active. In the left sidebar, you will see all-in-one WordPress migration. Hover over there and click to export. And click export to. There is few available option. You can export to Dropbox, you can export to Google Drive, you can export to Amazon S3. I will click to file to export my desktop. Click to download and choose a file location. Then save. Now I will import this newly exported file to this website. To do that, I have to install that all-in-one WordPress migration plugin again, where I want to transfer the site. I'm gonna hover over to plugins, then add new plugin. Search for, then click to install now, then active. Hover over the all-in-one WP migration and click to import. Click to import from. Here you can choose your file location. If you exported your file to Dropbox, then you will select Dropbox. If your file is in Google Drive, then you will choose Google Drive, but my file is in my desktop. This is why I'll click to file. Then I'll choose that file that was exported from my localhost server. Then open it. If your website is more than 50 MB, then you will see this error message. Fixing this error message is pretty simple. You can use a plugin or you can do that from PHP Manager. To do that, I'll log into my cPanel, then find PHP INI editor. Then click here. Then you have to select your website. Here you'll see currently upload limit. This is now 50 MB. Let's make it 256. Then apply. That's it. Now back to our website. Then refresh this page. Now again click to import from, then choose file, then choose that file, then click to open. Our import is done. Now I have to proceed there. Our website is successfully imported. Click to finish. Then back to dashboard. I have to log in there again. If you visit our website, we will see it's a pretty cool website. Scroll down. Everything is functional like it was in my local computer. If you want to buy any product from here, click any product and I can increase or decrease, add to cart, and we can view cart and we can proceed to checkout. This is a full functional e-commerce website now. So friends, this is how we can transfer our WordPress website from localhost to online server. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. Hope to see you in next WPBravo tutorial. Till then, take care.